Hello and welcome to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the correct way to format fractions inside brackets using Microsoft Equation Editor. We'll also look at common mistakes people make when trying to do this in MS Word. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's begin by looking at some of the common mistakes people make when inserting brackets and fractions in Microsoft Word. A lot of people type the open and close brackets directly from the keyboard when working with math equations. But here's what happens when you do that. In this first example, you can see that the brackets are small, and the fractions are not properly aligned inside them. This happens because the keyboard brackets do not adjust to the size of the fractions. Now, looking at the second example, the minus sign appears smaller than the other equation elements. That's because it was typed directly from the keyboard instead of using the proper equation editor symbol. These formatting issues make your equation look unprofessional and difficult to read. So, how do we do it the right way? Let's find out. Let's now format the equation properly using Microsoft Equation Editor. Step 1. Open the equation editor. To enter a new equation, go to Insert, Equation, or simply press Alt equals on your keyboard. Step 2. Insert proper brackets. Instead of typing brackets from the keyboard, follow these steps. 1. Click on the bracket icon. 2. Select parentheses. This ensures that the brackets adjust automatically to fit the fraction size. Step 3. Insert proper fractions. Now, we'll place the fraction expression inside the brackets. 1. Click the fraction icon and choose Stacked Fraction. 2. Type 1 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. 3. Press the right arrow key to move out of the fraction box. 4. Insert a proper minus sign by selecting it from the symbols group instead of using the keyboard. 5. Insert another stacked fraction, then type 3 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. Step 4. Check the final equation. Now let's take a look at the final result. The brackets are properly sized. The fractions are aligned correctly inside the brackets. The minus sign is formatted properly. This ensures professional formatting and better readability in your mathematical expressions. And that's it. Now you know the correct way to format fractions inside brackets using Microsoft Equation Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more awesome content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.